Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would be telling you about the testing job opportunities. Those would be the work from home, the remote job opportunities, as well as we have few of the walk-in drive updates that are going to happen in the upcoming weekend. So let me share the details with you. So the first requirement is hiring for manual testers, and there's a remote job. So experience required is 0 to 4 years, and the email address is also mentioned. So you can apply to this email address. They're looking for someone who can join immediately or max to max 2 weeks. Then EPAM company is hiring for automation testers SDETs in Hyderabad. That is on 12th of July. Face-to-face interviews will be there. They are hiring for SDET roles in Hyderabad, and they are looking for automated testers with with JavaScript or with .NET. 3 to 15 years of experience is required. Notice period for both should be 0 to 60 days, and you can drop an email to this email address with your current CTC, expected CTC, and notice period. Then there's a requirement for software test engineers, manual QA, and they are looking for 2 to 6 years of experience in manual testing of web and mobile applications. Professional certification, ISTQB certification, if you have it is good. If it's not, then also it's fine. It's optional. And educational qualifications would be BTech, CSIT, MTech, ME, CSIT, BCA, MCA. Experience required is 2 to 6 years. For more information, you can also email to this email ID. Then there is a requirement for Salesforce QA testers. Location is Pune, and the shift would be EST hours 6 p.m. to 3:30 a.m. IST. Salary up to 17 LPA. Experience 5 to 9 years. Must have 4 to 6 years of QA testing experience, specifically with Salesforce. Hands-on expertise with Salesforce testing tools and end-to-end QA processes. You can send your resume to this email address. Then there is a requirement for senior automation testers, contract role, trading domain, and they are looking for a 6-month extendable contract in Bangalore. And this is the link. So I'll be putting this link in the description as well as in the comment section of the video. Experience required is 4 to 6 years in automation and manual testing. Location is Bangalore, India, and the contract duration is of 6 months. Domain knowledge required is of trading. It should be mandatory. So they are looking for trading only. If you don't have trading, then no need to apply. Then there is a requirement for QA automation engineer, SDET, contract, remote, hybrid role, immediate joiners. So you can share your resume to this email address. Someone who is having experience with Scrum and Kanban methodologies, someone who is proficient in object-oriented programming, design patterns, CI/CD pipelines using Jenkins, Git, etc. You people can apply. Then there is a requirement for QA automation engineer, remote experience is 4 to 6 years. And they are looking for someone who is having experience with Selenium, TestNG, CI/CD knowledge would be a plus point. You can send your CV to this email address. Netizens Technology is hiring for QA, 1 to 2 years of experience, WordPress developer, business development manager, and you can share your CV at this email address. So these are a few of the these are a few of the requirements for experienced people. Then there is a requirement for fresher. So the walk-in drive is happening from 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. in this week, and the location is provided. It is for fresher who can join immediately, and the address is also provided here. So you can apply, you can go to this particular address and you can attend the walk-in drive that is happening there, right? So these are a few of the job opportunities for testers, for freshers as well as for experience. And if you will follow the community channel. So over there also we are posting the job opportunities in which you have got referral email addresses. So there are many people who are getting placed by watching the content, by watching the videos that is there on RD Automation Learning YouTube channel, and they are getting placed. So once they are getting placed, then they are sharing the referral email addresses so that they can refer to other folks out there and they can assist them, right? So you can also apply to those email addresses being posted, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.